Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial video. So in this video I'm going to teach you step by step guide on how to set up a VTU website where you can sell airtime, buy data, convert airtime to cash and other VTU services. Watch this video to the very end so that you understand how to do that. So to do that, all you need is a domain and hosting. As you can see here, I already have my domain and my website ready, and I'm in my cpanel already. A cpanel is the details that a hosting company will send to you after hosting your website. So here in your cpanel, the next thing that you need to do, the first thing that you need to do is to go to your file manager. Click on file manager here. You open your file manager. When your file manager opens, you go over to public_html. Open this public_html. When you open public_html, the next thing that you need to do is to create a folder. Create a folder by clicking on this folder icon here with a plus sign here. Then you enter the name of the folder that you want to create. Let's just say feel better. Let's like feel better VTU, feel better v okay, let's feel better VTU. Okay, let's use this name. Then you click on create folder. After entering the name of your folder here, you click on save. As you can see here, the folder is saved here. Next thing that you need to do is to open this folder. When you open this folder, as you can see, this folder is empty. You come over to this place that says upload. You click on upload. When you click on upload, it will take you to a page where you have to upload your file. This is where you have to upload your script. Don't worry about this script if you don't have it. Just click on the link on my bio, send me a message, and I will send you the script. So you click on this select file here to upload your script. When you click on it, it will take you to your all the files, all the folders in your computer. You locate the script. As you can see here, this is the script here. This one that says create Naija. This is the one that we're going to use for this website that we're creating now. So you click on it, you open it. When you click on open, as you can see, it's already loading. The folder is already uploading. Instead of us to be waiting for it here, we will take our time and we have other things to do. Let's leave it here while it's loading. Then come over to our cpanel here. Let's come back to our cpanel. Then go and create a database that we'll use for this website. Let's go and create a database. Let's wait, it's loading now. Okay, this is our cpanel here. You go over to you scroll down to where it says my database wizard, my SQL database wizard. You click on it. When you click on this my SQL database wizard, where you have to set up, like, create a database for your website, for your VTU website here in your cpanel. Let's wait for it to load. Guys, the network is bad, but just hang on. Yeah. As you can see here, the database where we have to create the database has opened. You just come back to this place here and enter a name for your database. Let's just say feel better VTU. Let's use it as our database name, or let's just make it feel better VTU web. You click on it. Then after that, you click on this next step here. When you click on next step, it will take you to this place here. You just enter. Make sure you use the same name that you used in your in the database name as the username, so that it will not confuse you. So you just use feel. Okay, let's just put it this way: feel better, feel better VTU web. Okay, this is it. Then you come back to this place here, enter a password that you can remember, enter a password that you can easily remember. You get, because you need these details when you are connecting the front end of this website to the back end. So I advise you use a password that you can easily remember. So let me enter my password. Okay, now I have finished entering my database details. All I have to do is to create on this create user. And after creating your database, make sure you copy out these details here, save it somewhere, maybe in a notepad, because you will need it. You will need these details when connecting the back end, the front end to the back end of this website. So I'll just have to copy it, then save it somewhere, save it somewhere, just copy it, then save it, keep it here. Then my password as well, I know my password, so just make sure you use the password that you can easily remember. Then you continue, come back to this place here, click. When you come back to this place here, I see it's showing all these boxes. Tick this all privileges so that it will select all of them. You scroll down, click on next step. When you click on next step, as you can see, it says user feel better. This is the name of our database, and it has successfully been created. So you check if this script has fully uploaded. As you can see here, it says complete, like it's showing complete. Whenever you are uploading a script or anything on your cPanel, once make sure that it turns green like this. Once it turns green like this, that shows that it has successfully uploaded. So what we do is to go back to our PHP my admin, the folder that where we uploaded this file. As you can see, it says go back to home/php and betas. Then you click on it, go back to that folder and check if yes, okay, this is it, it has uploaded. This is the file that we just uploaded. Now the next thing that we'll do is to extract it. To extract a file in a zip, like a zip file, a script in a zip file, all you have to do is to highlight it like this, then come to this place where it says extract. You click on your extract, then it will ask you where you want to extract it to. You click on like this is where you want it to be extracted to. You click on extract files. It's now extracting. Okay, it has successfully extracted. So let's close it and see the outcome. So you refresh this, reload this place now. Okay, so that after reloading you see all the files. Okay, this is all the file that's in the script. So the next thing that you have to do is to move it to your public underscore HTML. By uploading it to your public underscore HTML, the site will go live. You get, so you just select all of them, select all, come back to this place that says move. You click on it so that you move it to your public underscore HTML. You click on it, then this place here is where you are moving the file to. You will not leave it at public underscore HTML. You will not leave it at this place that says feel better VTU. You leave it at public underscore HTML so that the site will go live. As you can see here, click on enter after you must have set it to be on your public underscore HTML. You click on it, move files. Wait for a minute, wait for some time. Okay, it has successfully moved to our public underscore HTML here. This is it here. This is all the file that we moved here. So let's check if our site has gone live. Like let's check if our site has gone live. Just type the URL feel better. Okay, just click on it. Okay, just click. Let's open it and see if what. Okay, this is it. Our site is now live. Like the site is now live. But as the site is live now, there's one important thing that we need to do, which is to connect the back end to the front end. So let me just show you something. When you click here, it will not open. Why? Because we have not connected the back end to the front end of this website. That's why it's not opening. Now let's click on this login page to see what will happen. Just watch what will happen. So as you clicked on it, it was showing that this page isn't working. That's because we have not connected it. So watch this video to see how we connect the front end to the back end of the website. Just watch. Remember I told you to save this your database details because you'll be needing them when you want to connect your back end to the front end. This is when we will need those details that we saved. As you can see here, I saved my details in this notepad here because I'll be using it to connect the front end to the back end of the website. So now let's go to our cpanel. This is our cpanel here. You locate where it says core. Open this folder called core. When you open this folder called core, core, when you open it, okay, it's still loading. This is it here. You open this folder called models. When you open models, you go to model.php. Click on models.php, then click on edit. As you can see here, I've clicked on edit. When you click on edit, it will now take you to the place where you have to enter those details that you saved in your notepad. Just open your notepad here. When you open your notepad, you see the space for database name. Just copy the database here, copy it. When you copy it, you locate this part where it says copy it. Let me copy it. Okay, copy it here. Make sure you copy it, then go over to the spot where it says, okay, let me copy. Okay, you come to database name, you paste what you just copied. Okay, we have paste is now there. Then go over to database username, and don't forget that we use the same database name for our database username. Like we use the same name for both our username and our database. Just copy it. When you copy it, you scroll down, do the same thing that you did for the database name, paste it. When you paste it, now is now for password. Here you highlight this one, the already existing text there, then replace it with your own password. As I'm typing my password now, as you can see, I'm typing my password. After typing the password, now I'm still typing. So after typing your password, you click on save. When you click on save, you ask if you want to save. Now I'm saving. It says successful. As you can see, it's now successful. I've saved it. So after entering your database details, all you have to do is to go back to your cpanel and upload your structured query language file, your SQL file in your phpMyAdmin. Okay, you upload it to the database that we created. Okay, this is what we'll do here. You scroll down to the part where it says phpMyAdmin. Okay, you click on phpMyAdmin. It will take you to your phpMyAdmin. The system will redirect you in a minute. Okay, we are here in our phpMyAdmin. This is the database that we created. As you can see here, this is the database that we created. So you click on it. When you click on it, you see that it's still empty, like there's nothing there. Look at everything is just vacant, nothing is here. So you locate this part here that says import. You click on it, import. Okay, so when you click on import, you come here and upload your file. Select your file here, click on it. When you click on it, you bring you to your folder. You go to the folder where the SQL file is. This is the SQL file here. This one here. So you select it. Then open. After you click open, you come back to this place here. You click on go. When you click on go, as you can see, this file now has something inside, like it's no longer empty. Look at it here. It has something. Before it was empty, but now it has so many files inside. So to check if what we did actually worked, let's check our website again. Let's check our website. Go to your website here. This is our website. Let's just check our website here. Click, let's just check it. Okay, the website has opened. Let's try and do the same thing that we did. Let's try to log in or register. Let's try to log in. As you can see here, it's now taking us to where we will log in, but before it did not open. That was because we have not connected the back end to the front end. So let's check for this register link. You click on it, will now take you to where you have to register. This is just a simple way to create a VTU website. As you can see here, I believe this video was helpful to you. Kindly help us by subscribing to our YouTube channel. I will make more videos to teach you how to set up your VTU website, and also some settings that you need to do for the VTU website to be running perfectly. If this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and comment. Also like the video, like this video. That will help our video to do well in search engine. Thank you for watching this video.